Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best weed eater is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn and garden, offering a convenient and efficient way to tackle overgrown grass and weeds in those hard-to-reach areas where a traditional mower simply can't go. Imagine effortlessly trimming along flower beds, fences, and pathways, achieving a clean, manicured look with minimal physical strain and maximum satisfaction, all thanks to the power and portability of modern cordless technology. This isn't just about cutting grass, it's about reclaiming your outdoor space and enhancing its beauty with precision and ease, making yard work less of a chore and more of a rewarding experience. Number 5. WORX 20V12 2-in-1 Cordless String Trimmer and Edger WG163. Effortlessly switch between trimming your lawn and edging your garden beds. This versatile tool makes yard work a breeze. Never worry about running out of trimmer line again. Our innovative push-button system provides instant line feeding, and we even offer free spools for life. Reach difficult areas and tackle sloped terrain with ease. The adjustable head allows you to trim and edge precisely where you need to. Achieve perfectly straight lines and clean cuts every time. The integrated rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for professional-looking results. Keep your delicate plants and landscaping safe. The adjustable spacer guard prevents accidental damage while you work. This tool comes with two lightweight 20V batteries. They provide ample power and are compatible with all other WORX power share tools. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility with its 2-in-1 trimmer and edger functionality. The innovative command feed system ensures you always have line when you need it, eliminating frustrating bumps. If you have a yard with varied terrain or hard-to-reach spots, the 90 degrees tilting head makes this an excellent choice for a clean finish everywhere. What people say. This is a great tool for trimming weeds and grass in tight spaces. It is lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 45 minutes on a single charge. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer and Edger, LSTE 525. Tired of bumping to advance your line? With this trimmer, you can feed the line with just the push of a button. It's a simple solution for a common frustration. Never get caught with a dead battery again. This package includes 2 batteries, effectively doubling your runtime. Keep working without interruption. Take control of your trimming experience. Choose between boosting power for tougher jobs or extending runtime for lighter tasks. You decide what works best. Need to switch from trimming to edging? This tool easily converts from a string trimmer to a wheeled edger. Tackle any yard task with one convenient device. This is part of our versatile 20V Max system. One system means endless tasks, offering the power you need to match your style. Experience increased torque for more cutting power. The power drive transmission ensures that the string has the force it needs to get the job done efficiently. Work for longer periods with maximum comfort. The premium micro texture grip is designed for a secure and comfortable hold during extended use. What we like. With 2 batteries included, you get double the runtime to tackle larger yards without interruption. The 2-speed control allows you to adjust power for different tasks, from light trimming to tougher weeds. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse that offers flexibility and extended use, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great tool for trimming weeds and grass in tight spots. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Combo Kit. Effortlessly maintain your yard with this lightweight and quiet combo kit. It includes a string trimmer and an extra battery, perfect for extended use in larger spaces. Our automatic line feed system ensures a continuous supply of trimmer line. This means your tool operates smoothly and without interruption, keeping your work efficient. Switching from trimming to edging is a breeze. Convert it to a wheeled edger for precise borders, all powered by the same convenient battery. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, the trimmer is incredibly easy to maneuver. Enjoy comfortable and extended use without fatigue. Customize your experience with adjustable height and handle options. This ensures personalized comfort and optimal control for every user. The leaf blower unit is also designed for ease of use, weighing just 3.7 pounds. Clearing debris is simple and comfortable. Enjoy peaceful yard maintenance with its low-noise design. This allows for quiet operation, making it ideal for any neighborhood. What we like. This combo kit is a yard maintenance powerhouse, handling trimming, edging, and sweeping with ease. Its exceptionally lightweight design makes it comfortable for extended use, and the quiet operation ensures peaceful yard work. If you value convenience and a multifunctional tool for a complete cleanup, this kit is ideal. What people say. It has a powerful motor that makes trimming weeds easy. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Weed Eater, LST522. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Weed Eater. It's designed to make your lawn care routine easier and more efficient. Our automatic line advancement system dispenses trimmer line as you work. This ensures you have uninterrupted performance without stopping to adjust the line. With an extended battery capacity, it offers 66% more runtime than standard models. This means you can tackle larger projects without needing to recharge as often. Easily switch between higher power for tough areas or longer runtime for extended jobs. This dual-speed control optimizes results for any task. The power drive transmission boosts torque at the string. This gives it the strength to easily cut through dense grass and weeds. Quickly transform it from trimming to wheeled edging. Achieve clean, precise lines along sidewalks and driveways with ease. Enjoy customizable height and handle settings with a premium soft grip. This provides improved control and comfort during use. What we like. Experience longer working sessions thanks to the extended battery capacity, offering 66% more runtime than standard models. The dual-speed control lets you optimize for power or endurance, while the power drive transmission ensures strong cutting performance. If you have a larger property or frequently encounter dense growth, this tool provides the power and stamina you need. What people say. This weed eater is lightweight and easy to use. The battery life is excellent, lasts for a long time on a single charge. It cuts through thick weeds and grass with ease. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Weed Whacker, CMCST 900D1. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Weed Whacker. This powerful tool makes yard work a breeze, offering both trimming and edging capabilities. Forget about bumping. Its automatic line feed system ensures smooth, continuous operation, so you can focus on a clean cut every time. Achieve a beautifully manicured lawn with its generous 13-inch cutting swath. It maximizes efficiency, letting you finish your yard work faster. Easily switch between trimming and edging with the adjustable telescoping pole. It's designed for your comfort and versatility around the yard. Choose between high power or extended runtime with its 2-speed settings. This provides flexible performance tailored to your specific needs. Keep your workspace tidy with the integrated hook, compatible with the VersaTrack system. Store it conveniently when not in use. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year limited warranty. This ensures your investment is protected. What we like. This trimmer boasts an efficient 13-inch cutting swath, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. The automatic line advance means no more bumping, and the ergonomic telescoping pole makes adjustments for trimming and edging effortless. If you prioritize speed and ease of use for maintaining a well-manicured lawn, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This weed eater is lightweight and easy to use, making yard work much less of a chore. The battery life is impressive, lasting long enough to tackle my entire yard on a single charge. It cuts through thick weeds and grass with surprising power for a cordless model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.